everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you half of kurti designs. These are still in trend and it's not necessary to add straight panels to make these kurtis. Instead you can try many more variations and make your kurti like a patchwork piece. So continue watching the video till the end to know few more combinations of fabric to make the latest designer half of kurti patterns.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.